Hi students, I'm your Komali ma'am. In this session, I'm going to tell you the solutions to key to the NEET 2023 question paper. Many of you will be waiting for the key. So first I'm going to tell you the key. After some time, I'll make you the clear detailed solution video. Taking a stability order, they're asking thallium plus 1 state is more stable and identify the product in the following reaction is option 3 is the correct answer. Benzene diazonium chloride, you are getting a benzene. The given compound, which compound is this example they're asking? It is a vinyl halide. And in Lisine's test, both nitrogen and sulfur is present. What is the compound formula? They're asking FeSCN 2 plus. And see the next question. Come on, let's check your score and comment me how much you are getting the score. A reaction can have zero activation energy is a false statement. Minimum amount of energy required by the reactant molecules to form the product to reach the threshold energy. So it is a correct. So assertion A is true, R is false. So A is false, R is true. Option 1. And in this after calculation I'll be getting 1.76. I'll make you a detailed clear solution video how we get the answer. In this first HCN is reacting, constant H2SO4. Option 1 is the correct answer. A unit formed by the attachment of a base to first 1' position of a sugar is nucleoside. It is correct, but in this phosphorus acid is given. It is phosphoric acid. If it is connected to the 5th position of sugar moiety, then it is a nucleotide. So option statement 2 is incorrect. Statement 1 is correct and statement 2 is incorrect. Option 4 is the correct answer. Check it out. Check it out. See the next one. A compound is formed by 2 elements. They were asking that B is a CCP and A is occupying tetrahedral voids. So first to find the X value and Y value, you will be getting X plus Y is 5 value you will be getting. C2 plus is more stable than Cu plus in aqueous solution. The reason they are asking hydration energy is the correct answer. And coke, if you see, coke is used as in coke it is used as an reducing agent, and diamond sp3 hybridization. Fullerene is having cage molecules. Graphite is used as a lubricant. So 3 1 and 4 2. Option 4 is the correct answer. 10 questions over. 10 questions over. Let us see. Assertion is helium is used to dilute oxygen in diving apparatus. Yes, it is correct, but helium has a high solubility in O2. No, this is a incorrect statement. So 1 is a correct and 2 is incorrect statement. A is true, R is a false. Some tranquilizers are listed below. Which one of the following belongs to barbiturates? Veronal is an example to barbiturates. And question number 64, which of the following statements are not correct? Hydrogen is used to reduce heavy metal oxides to metals. Correct. Heavy water is used to study reaction mechanism. Correct. Hydrogen is used to make saturated fats from the oils. It is correct. HH bond dissociation enthalpy is highest because highest. Reasons explanation I'll give you one more video. Hydrogen reduces oxides of metals that are less reactive than iron, but here given more reactive. So these two are the incorrect statements. They were asking incorrect statements. So D and E is the correct answer. For a certain reaction, they have given this expression and they're asking us which of the following statement is correct. It is increased by factor of 9. I'll tell you why. Which one is an example of heterogeneous catalysis? Haber's process. Option combination between N2 plus H2 in presence of iron oxides is an finely divided iron we can take, or this statement 1. Okay, next one, 60, question number 67, right? Let us see which one of the following statements is correct. It is correct. The daily requirement of magnesium and calcium in a human body is 200 milligrams to 300 milligrams. This is the correct option. Weight of 2 moles of organic compound when we eat sodium ethanoate. Sodium ethanoate in the presence of sodium hydroxide and calcium oxide. This is decarboxylation reaction. We get methane as a product. 2 moles we will be getting. The element expected to form largest ion to achieve the nearest noble gas configuration, that is N-3, it will form option 4. And N2 molecule, if you see the correct electronic configuration, sigma 1s, sigma star 1s, sigma 2s, sigma star 2s, then pi 2px, pi 2py, both are same. After that sigma 2pz will come. So this is the correct one. Question number 71, homoleptic complexes means same ligands. In all the options, option 2 is potassium trisoxalate aluminate. Only oxalate ligands are there. Option 2, intermolecular forces are forces of attraction. It is somewhat question paper sent by the student, little bit not clear. So except covalent bonding, remaining all are intermolecular forces of attractions. So covalent bond is sharing, correct? So A, B, C, E. A, B, C, E, option 4. Number of sigma and pi bonds and lone pairs in pyridine are 11, 3, 1. Option 4 is the correct answer. Select the correct statements from the following. So here correct statement is B is correct. Mass of electron is correct value. And all isotopes of a given element shows same chemical properties. Yes, correct. Same, or we can say similar. Okay, and this is also correct. And protons and neutrons, this is B, C, E. Option 1 is the correct answer. Next. This is a Clemmensen reducing agent. Clemmensen reducing agent converts C double bond 1 CH2. So option 2 is the correct answer. And in this question, in equation delta G is equal to minus NF E cell. Value of delta G depends on N. This is correct. E cell is an extensive property and delta G is an E cell is intensive, delta G is extensive. Both are correct, but there is no relation between A and B. So option 3 is the correct option 3 is the correct answer. And question number 77. Question number 77. In all the 4 graphs, third graph is a correct graph. T3 greater than T2 greater than T1. This is a correct graph. P is inverse directly proportional to 1 by V. This graph is correct. And see the next question. The relation between Nm and magnetic quantum number values and azimuthal quantum number. Option 2 is the correct answer. And the conductance of centimolar, this cell constant you have to find. Resistance R is equal to rho into L by A. If you substitute there, you will be getting answer 1.26 centimeter. Consider option 4 is the correct answer. Consider the following reaction and identify the product. First carbocation will be forming, then rearrangement takes place, hydrate shift, then Br will go and attack. So option 2 is the correct answer. Which among is the following molecules on polymerization produces neoprene? Neoprene is formed from 2-chlorobuta 1,3 diene. Option 3 is the correct answer. And check it out. Next one. Among the following, the total number of species not having 8 electrons in the valence shell. So, AlCl3, BeCl2 is not having 8 electrons in the valence shell. So, only 2 species. So, option 3 is the correct answer. Among the given options, they are asking which is a Lewis acid, means having less than 8 electrons. So, option 4 is the correct answer. Metallic sodium dissolves in liquid ammonia. Yes, it gives a blue color solution which is paramagnetic in nature, which is correct. But the deep blue color solution is due to the presence of the electrons. So this is incorrect option. A is a true, R is a false. Option 4 is the correct answer. Which of the following reactions will not give primary amine? So lithium aluminum hydride on methyl isocyanates, means here what happens is we'll be getting secondary amine. So option 4 is the correct answer. Which of the following statements are incorrect? All transition metals, this is a direct paragraph. See, from the NCERT print to print, all transition metal except scandium form MO oxides which are ionic. Correct option. And option 2, the highest this is a correct option. The highest oxidation number corresponding to group number of transition metal oxide. This is also correct. And this is basic character decreases. It forms VO2 plus salts, not VO3 minus salts. This is also correct. So C and D options are incorrect. They are asking incorrect. So option 4 is the correct answer. This is HI, which is a more stable carbocation it forms. This forms more stable. Iodine comes attack here. H comes attack here. So option 4 is the correct answer. Which among the following options is the correct relation between change in enthalpy and change in internal energy? Delta H is equal to delta U plus delta nRT is the correct answer. What fraction of one edge-centered octahedral void lies in one unit cell? One edge center is occupied by 4 other, one edge center is in sharing with 4 other unit cells. So 1 by 4 is the correct answer. Question number 90. Come on students, check it out your answer. The nutrient deficient water bodies leads to eutrophication. nutrient deficient, no, nutrient rich water bodies, so it is incorrect statement. Eutrophication means that formation of algae layer over the water, so if more that eutrophication happens, there is a decrease in the level of oxygen. This is a correct. So A is statement 1 is incorrect, statement 2 is correct. So option 1 is a correct answer. Which among the following will most readily dehydrated under acidic condition? So if you see in all the options, NO2 is there. If NO2 is the formation, OH goes out, formation of carbocation less stable, so option 3 is not having NO2, so this is a correct answer. And peroxo disulfuric acid, this one when I teach you detailed solution video, there I'll tell you, I'll draw the structures and tell you. Here I'm telling you A3, B4, C2, D1 in this question. Check it out. I'll make you detailed solution video so that you can cross verify. Tollens reagent, if you add it, then aldehyde group will be converted into salt of that acid group, carboxylic acid group. So option 4 is the correct answer. And here lithium aluminum hydride, if you add, you get alcohol. Then upon adding acid, you get ethene upon HBr, you get bromoethane. Then Wurtz-Fittig reaction takes place. Option 2 is the correct answer. And in this, they're asking which reaction does not take place during extraction in this temperature region. Option 2 does not takes place. Pumice stone is an example of solid sol. Which complex compound is more stable? Where bidentate ligands are there, that is more stable. So option 4, En twice, this is a bidentate ligand is present, so it is more stable when compared to monodentate. In all other options, monodentate is there. Consider the following species. How many are obeying Huckel's rule? So 1, 2 and 3 and 4. These 4 compounds only obeying Huckel's rule. So option 2 is the correct answer. The equilibrium concentrations of the species they have given, and they're asking us to find the correct answer. I'll make the detailed video. I'll tell you how to calculate it. Delta G is equal to minus 2.303 RT log Kc. Kc values you have to, Kc first you have to find and you have to substitute. So we'll be getting this answer. On balancing the redox reactions, what you should do is in this the correct option, you have to substitute all this whatever given so that easily you can find it out. 138 is the correct answer, option 2. So in short, you can check it out. All your first check all your key. I'll make it and let me know how many of your answer what score you are getting. My name is Komali. I'm your chemistry mentor. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you are first time watching Komali ma'am channel, please hit on subscribe. Thank you.